Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting a natural TTS engine and a voice that fits your audience. Pick one with SSML for expressive control. Next, split your full narration into 30 to 45-second chunks so pacing stays human and edits are simple. Once done, gather visual assets, images, short clips, captions, and organize them by scene. Make sure to name files clearly and set the project frame to 16 by 9. These steps let you record efficiently and avoid rework later. Now record or generate each chunk. If you record, aim for a quiet room and consistent mic distance. If you synthesize, add SSML pauses and prosody for natural rhythm. Once you have audio files, normalize levels to a conversational LUFS target and export WAVs. Next, import audio and visuals into your editor and place markers every 5 to 10 seconds to align cuts. Make sure to trim breaths and smooth transitions. Use crossfades and subtle speed ramps to maintain. Finish by applying gentle EQ, de-essing, and transparent compression to keep the voice clear without sounding processed. Match room tone by adding a subtle ambience track if needed, then bake subtitles or captions for accessibility. Export with platform-appropriate settings, H, 264 or HEVC, correct resolution and bitrate, and verify sync in a preview player. If audio drifts or cuts misalign, check sample rates, frame rate conversions, and clip padding. Adjusting a few milliseconds or re-exporting at a consistent sample rate usually fixes timing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.